Good morning, students. Today our topic is organic compound containing nitrogen or nitrogen compound or amines. See the question number 1. Which of the following will not be formed on reduction of nitrobenzene in alkali medium? Is here nitrobenzene in alkali medium. If two molecule of nitrobenzene react with Na2 Na2 AS2 ASO3 Na2 ASO3 and NaOH. Okay, so in the presence of this reagent or glucose NaOH reagent, it gives the azoxybenzene, means this one azoxybenzene. This is azoxybenzene. Okay, that is azoxybenzene. Next, second one, the molecule of nitrobenzene is react with zinc methyl alcohol NaOH to form azobenzene. Last another one is also azoxybenzene is formed, azobenzene is formed. Okay, then next one is if two molecule of nitrobenzene is react with zinc and NaOH, not methyl alcohol. Zinc and NaOH, then what will obtain? Hydrozobenzene is formed. Means NH, here NH, hydrozobenzene. Okay, once here NH, double bond NH. This is hydrozobenzene. So azoxybenzene, azobenzene, hydrozobenzene is formed on reaction with alkali NaOH medium, but aniline is not formed. So answer is aniline. Okay, so your answer is aniline is correct option. Next question number 3. Aniline react with X to form acetanilide. Then aniline is react with X. Then what we obtained acetanilide is here. Aniline is react with acetic anhydride. Aniline react with acetic anhydride CH3 COO CH3CO. Okay, here bond breaking takes place. Here 1H, this one CH3 COO group to form CH3 COOH is found acetic acid. Remaining COCH3 is attached to the this one group. This group is attached to that one. Then what we obtain? C6H5 NH, one hydrogen separate now. So to form NH COCH3. Okay, so that compound is acetanilide. This is acetanilide. So here what is the reagent used? Acetic anhydride is used. Next, question number 4. The species involved in the Hoffman degradation reaction. This is the question number 4 mechanism. Okay, R C double bond O NH acetamide or amide is react with bromine Br2KOH. Okay, then what we obtain amma, R CO NH Br with OH. This OH group is combined with this hydrogen to form H2O. Then RCO NBr is formed. Okay, here bromine is separated. Okay, to form RCO N double bond. Again it is shifted to this one side. It formed the double bond with this one to form alkyl isocyanate, means R N double bond C double bond O, isocyanate. It is followed by react with KOH to form RNH2. Okay, plus K2CO3 compound. So in this reaction, what are the reagent is involved? Steps. What are the intermediates are involved in this intermediate? RCONH RCONH this is involved. Next RNC, this one RNCO. Next RCONOH. So NOH la, this is wrong amma. So this is not OH, RCONH NBr idi. NBr not OH idi, that is NBr. Okay, so that is this one compound. So all are in option A, B, C, all are involved in this reaction. Question number 7. This here question number 7. R COOH plus hydrozoic acid in the presence of concentrate H2SO4. Then what happen? Product to form RNH2. So this out of 3 nitrogens, 2 nitrogens separated, 1 nitrogen, these 2 hydrogens NH2 formed, remaining CO2 and N2 separated. Okay, so your primary amine is formed. So hydrozoic acid, option is 2. Then next question number 8. Here question number 8, reaction. So question what they gonna, so they given this one is a product, sorry, reactant, and here NH react with this is not methyl amma, this is methyl iodide excess and Ag2O, moisture Ag2O to form product. What is product? See here, if it is react with excess of methyl iodide, then what happen? So first here one of the H is separated, methyl is attacked to this nitrogen, and methyl group, this one. Again one more methyl iodide is added. Here nitrogen have one double bond there, lone pair is attached to the methyl group. Then product is methyl, here N plus CH3 and CH3, carbocation is formed. Sorry, here nitrogen contain positive charge. Okay, plus here I minus is there. Okay, this I minus is react with AgOH, AgI separated. Okay, OH is attached to this one. Here Na plus na. See here, this product we can write like this: CH3, CH3, CH3 here plus OH minus. This is a complex. That is a compound. Here methyl iodide, here methyl group attached to the nitrogen. Iodine react with AgI, AgI separated, remaining OH group is combined with positive charge compound to form complex ion. Okay, again on heating what happens? Here bond cleavage takes place. Okay, here positive charge will come. Here one H plus separate out of CH3. Here one of the H plus is separated to form here minus. Between them double bond is formed. So here double bond is formed between C after removal of one H plus. Then what happen here? CH2 na. Here nitrogen CH3 is formed. CH3, CH3. Okay, one H plus is separated. That H plus is combined with this OH minus. This OH minus H2O separated. The removed H plus is combined with this OH minus H2O separated. So this is the product. So option is once you see the option. Option is 2. Okay. Next question number 10. Methylamine can be obtained by the action of. Is here. Methylamine can be obtained by the action of. First one component. Methyl iodide is react with NH3 to form methanamine plus HI separate. This is methanamine is formed in the first one reaction. Then second one is methyl alcohol react with NH3. Here also same CH3 NH2 separate plus H2O separate. So here also methanamine is formed. Next third one is methyl cyanide, means CH3CN is react with Na and ethyl alcohol to form CH3 CH2 NH2 ethanamine. Next fourth one is CH3 acetoxime, means CH3 CH double bond NOH oxime is react with lithium aluminum hydride to form CH3 CH2 NH2 plus H2O separate. This is ethanamine. So last two form ethanamine, first two form methanamine. Option A and B is form. Option is 1. Then question number 11. C2H5COOH react with H2O. What happen? See here. C2H5COOH is formed when hydrolysis CH3O. Here what is X? It is also hydrolysis reduction. When it is reduction to form C2H5O CH2 NH2. Here what is X? Here X is known, must be C2H5O NC. Okay, NC or CN? C2H5CN. Sorry, C2H5O CN. If it is reduction, it is formed. If it is oxidation, it is formed. Here hydrolysis. If it is reduction, first one product. This one. If it is hydrolysis, here NH3 separate, C becomes COOH. That is hydrolysis. Option is C2H5CN because of 2 plus 1 3 carbons. 3 carbons. Here also 3 carbons. So option is 2. Next question number 12. Acetamide react with CH3CONH2 amide is react with Na and ROH alcohol. So in this reaction also amine is formed. So here CH3, CH2, NH2. Because of this is reducing agent here, CO is becomes to CH2. Ethanamine is formed. So option is ethanamine formed. The number of carbon atoms in the product Z, 1 and 2 carbons. Okay. So option is 2. 2 carbons are present in this product. Option 2. Question number 14. Which of the following amine will not undergo Hoffman bromide reaction? Hoffman bromide reaction, all amides involved in the Hoffman bromide reaction. Aliphatic amide and aromatic amide, primary amides. But here N-methyl, N-substituted amide is not involved in the Hoffman bromide reaction. Remember that point. All amides involved in this. What is that? Amides involved in the Hoffman bromide reaction. But N-substituted amides not involved in the Hoffman bromide reaction. Next question number 15. Which of the following is not suitable for Hoffman ammonolysis? See here, which of the following is compound is not suitable for the Hoffman ammonolysis? So generally Hoffman ammonolysis, aryl halides are not suitable. Aryl halides are not suitable. Aryl halides. For example, this is aryl halides, na? Okay. So during the ammonolysis reaction, this carbon iodide bond will be break. Then only it is involved in the ammonolysis. But here, due to the resonance structure causes, here partial double bond is formed between the carbon and iodine. That's why this bond is unable to break. So aryl halides are not involved in the Hoffman ammonolysis reaction. Okay. Option is 4. Next question number 16. That is important question. So many times came in the mains examination this model. Question number 16 and also question number 8 also important. Same model. Is here. So this is the compound here, methyl group. Here N, methyl. Here also methyl is there. Okay, here plus charge is there on nitrogen. Now if it is on heating, then what happen? If it is on heating, here beta position, first this bond will break. Then N CH3 thrice tertiary ammonium compound is formed. Okay, N, N dimethyl methanamine. Tertiary amine is formed, separated. After separation of this one, then what happen here? So shifted to this one side, here a negative charge will form. Correct na? To this negative charge, here beta carbon, here also beta carbon is there. This beta hydrogen H plus 1 minute. So after loss of tertiary methanamine, then what is product? So this is a product. Positive charge will come here. Because of this electron is gained na, positive charge. Then here methyl group, here beta is there. Due to the presence of your methyl group, this here there is no, this hydrogen is not involved. But here beta position CH2 is there. Here there is no alkyl group. That's why this hydrogen is readily involved in the reaction. So here this beta hydrogen, so this beta hydrogen is removed in the form of H plus. After then here O minus is formed, here plus charge, between them double bond, here CH3 is formed. Okay. So this is the product. So option is 4. Next question number 18. Which are the following compound the correct pKb of given compound in benzene? Amines in the benzene. Here strong base has high Kb value, low pKb value. Which one is strong base? Fourth one is strong base. Understood what I say? So strong base have the lowest pKa because of here bridged compound here nitrogen having one lone pair of electron, and here also alkyl group donating group, here also donating group, here also donating group. It is more basic nature. It is fourth one is more basic nature. Then third one, because of here third one there is no resonance na. So after the third one, fourth one, here one donating, here also one donating, one lone pair also there. So next one is third one. But here 3 donating, 1 lone pair. Here 2 donating, 1 lone pair. Next among the 1 and 2. In 1 and 2, here first one, here second one, this lone pair of electron completely involved in the resonance because of one double bond, here one more double bond, 4 electron, but in resonance 6 electrons required. So this lone pair of electron involved in the complete resonance. So here unable in this lone pair of electron for donating process. So it is a very weak base. Then next one is here lone pair of electron present in the nitrogen. So first one last, second one is very last, means lone pair of electron is unable. Understood? So this is basic nature, basic strength. Basic strength means Kb value highest for 4, least for 2. But pKb reverse order. Order of pKb means reverse. 4 is lower than 3, then first, then second. Option is 3. Next question number 20. The correct order of decreasing basic character is. Here which one is decreasing basic character? You see here, this is aniline. Generally primary amine is more basic than secondary and tertiary amine. Correct na? So here sorry, not primary, sorry. So here aniline is here. If you write this structure, then we will get clarity. Here aniline is there, resonance is available. Availability of lone pair of electron is less. Here second one is benzene amine. So here also one, so lone pair of electron is there. Here alkyl group is there, donating group. This is CH2 is a donating group. Next diphenyl amino. Okay, so diphenyl amino, here lone pair of electron not available because of this is involved in this one resonance structure, this one resonance structure. So very less basic character. Okay, last one is C6H11 means CH3, CH2, 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 NH2. Once here 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 means maybe it is a alkene. So here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There one more double bond is there. Okay, so this is the one more double bond. Okay, so this is the compound. So here which one is more basic character? You see here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so this is the fourth one, this is third one, first one, second one. Here there is no resonance, so fourth one is, because of alternative double bonds are not there. So here availability of conjugation is not, the resonance electrons are not there, because of your lone pair of electron is available but is not involved in the conjugation. That's why fourth one is more basic character. So fourth one is more basic character. After the fourth, then which one is more basic character? Because of your CH2 group is there, second one donating group is there, and lone pair of electron also there, and also donating group CH2 group is there. So second one is next more basic character. After then third one, here third one both side phenyl groups are there. Sorry, here only one side phenyl group is lone pair of electron involved in the conjugation, here benzening. So that's why first one. But here third one both side phenyl group is there. Here availability of lone pair of electron very less because of this lone pair of electron involved in the conjugation with this ring and conjugation with this side also ring. So here lone pair of electron is less available. So third one is very weak base. Option is 4, 2, 1, 3. Option is 2. Then next question number 24. Which of the following be most basic character? So which one is the most basic? First one is you write the structures, so then you will get clarity. So this is aniline. Next para-methoxyaniline. Next para-nitroaniline. Next benzyl amino. So this is the structure. Most basic means here lone pair of electron involved in the conjugation. Okay. So here availability of lone pair of electron is less basic. Here also lone pair of electron involved in the conjugation. Availability of lone pair of electron is less. Here also availability of lone pair of electron is less. But among these two compound, here withdrawing group causes availability of lone pair is very less. Very less. So that's why para-nitroaniline is weak base because of withdrawing group increase, basic character increase. Okay, here donating group increase, basic character what happen increase. But even though here lone pair of electron involved in the conjugation. But here nitron having the lone, fourth option nitron having the lone pair of electron. But here resonance is not available because of here methyl group is there, methylene group CH2, and donating group and also absence of resonance causes. So fourth one is very more basic character. Very more basic character. Okay. But second option resonance is present but electron donating group is there, but the presence of resonance causes lone pair of electron is less available. Here absence of resonance causes lone pair of electron is more available. So fourth one is more basic character. Option is 4. Next question number 25. Once you see the 25, you see here what is the correct order of basic strength of the following compound. So you have to write down that point. Secondary amines are more basic than primary amine due to plus I effect of methyl group. So secondary amine is more basic. This is secondary amine is more basic than primary amine. So third one is more basic than what is that? Second one. Okay. Then next one is what they gonna in amide the resonance gives rise to less availability of electron pair for the donation and also less basic. And the negative charge developed on the nitrogen due to the resonance it make more basic. See here amide group is there, amide group. So due to the resonance causes this electron shifted to this one side, it is shifted to this one side causes due to the available resonance causes the lone pair of electron is less available on the nitrogen, so it is less basic. Fourth one is less basic. Okay, but third, second, which one is more basic? Secondary amine is more basic than primary amine. Next, first one compound CH3, here C double bond NH, here NH2. Okay, if it is shifted to this one side, okay, it is shifted to this one side. It causes CH3. This is here structures, resonance structures. CH3 C double bond NH NH2. It is shifted this one side, your lone pair of electrons shifted this one side to form CH3, here double bond NH minus here NH2. Again it is shifted to this one side, it is shifted to this one side. So presence of negative charge on the nitrogen causes it is electron density is very more on the nitrogen, it is more basic nature. So first one is more basic, then understand what I say, because of electron density is more on the nitrogen, first one is more basic. After then third one because of secondary amine is more basic, that's why third one. After then primary amine, second one. But here amide is lone pair of electron in the conjugation, so availability of lone pair of electron nitrogen is very less. Fourth one is the last. So 1 3 2 4, option is 2. Next question number 26, which are the following is strongest base? Strongest here lone pair of electron involved in the conjugation. Here also lone pair of electron involved in the conjugation. Here also lone pair of electron involved in the conjugation. But here lone pair of electron never involved in the conjugation because of before this NH2 methylene group is there, resonance is not possible. First option is correct. So more basic character, strong base. Next question number 27. Here resonance is not available. Resonance is options of resonance. Options of resonance in first one. But remaining 2, 3, 4 resonance is possible. That's why availability of lone pair of electron is less in the second, third, fourth. But first one is resonance is not there, so availability is very more, so basic character also more for the first option. Next question number 27, you see here donating group is there, electron donating group, alkyl groups. So here basic character is more for the first option. Okay, after that here second one oxygen is there, oxygen is not having the lone pair of electron, but same time donating groups are there, alkyl group. But here oxygen and the more electron negative than oxygen, nitrogen. That's why oxygen is attract the electrons toward itself. So oxygen is withdrawing nature. But even though lone pair of electron is present on the nitrogen and also resonance is absent. So first one is more basic. Why means donating group also there, lone pair of electron also present. So first one is more basic. But third one lone pair of electron present, but withdrawing group oxygen is there, that's why less basic. So after them third one. Next second, fourth, here fourth one lone pair of electron is available in the resonance. So here very less available in the lone pair of electron in the fourth one. So fourth one is weakest base. After then here second one is next priority. So 1 3 2 4 is the correct option. Option is 4. Next question number 32. Then see here what is the compound structure product. C double bond 1. This is we can write like this: NH2, CH2, then CH3. So in this reaction here H2O separate, then product is NCH3CH2, followed by the reduction in the presence of nickel. What happens here? Double bond is reduced to single bond, NH CH2 CH3. So option is the product is 4. Next question number 34. You see here this here NH2 Cl react with methyl chloride, chloroform, and KOH, that is carbyl amine test. It causes NH2 becomes to NC and Cl, followed by react with HCl and H2O. Okay, then it becomes to here NC is becomes to NH. Then product is NC is reduced to NH to here Cl. So option is 1 is product. Same compound is reproduced. So option is same product is same reactant is again reproduced. Option is 1. Next one is 35. Primary amine on heating with CS2 followed by reaction with X of mercury chloride yield isothiocyanate. The reaction name is Hoffman mustard oil reaction. Okay, once I will explain that one. Once you check that Hoffman mustard oil reaction, you will get clarity. Question number 35. Okay. Here, primary amine RNH2 is react with carbon disulfide. On warming, it is shifted this one side. Lone pair of reactant shifted to here carbon to form RNH C double bond S and single bond SH. React with your mercury chloride to form R N double bond C double bond S plus your mercury sulfide is separated. Sorry, not this one. Yeah, this mercury, this sulfide separate, HGS separate. Remaining this He and this He, that Cl2 to form 2HCl. So this is alkyl isothiocyanate. It is formed in the mustard oil reaction. So that is 35. Next, certain nitrogenous nitrogenous with molecular formula 180 shows the increase in molecular mass 348. Here increase in molecular mass 36 question, very easy question and important also. Here first molecular weight 180, but increasing molecular weight means 348 minus 180. Then how much we got is equal to 168 molecular grams increases. First molecular mass 180. After reaction with acetyl chloride, its molecular mass 342 increase. How much increase? 168 grams increase. One molecule of acetyl group means CH3 CO group, 2 carbon 24, 1 oxygen 16. Okay. Then next one is 3 hydrogens. Then its total value is acetyl group CH3 CO group 42. Its molecular weight is 42. One acetyl group weight is 42. Then how many acetyl groups are present? 168 divided by 42. Okay. Then how much we got? Its value is 4. 4 acetyl groups present in this compound. Option is 2. So one acetyl group weight is 42. 2 carbons na 24, 1 oxygen 16, 24 plus 16 40, 40 plus this 3, sorry 43 amadi. This one is 43. So here 43 means approximately we get 4 times cancel. So 4 acetyl group is present in this one. Option is 4. Understood, sir? So first 180. After treatment with acetyl chloride, its molecular weight 348 grams increase. The number of possible NH2 groups in the molecule. Number of possible NH2 group. How many NH2 groups? Possible NH2 group means number of acetyl group is 168 divided by 43. Then we get 4. Acetyl group is 4. Not NH2, this one acetyl group, not NH2, that is number of possible acetyl groups, CH3CO groups, that is we have to write on here. Instead of NH2 we have to write CH3CO group. How many possible acetyl group? 4 acetyl group is present. Correct, that is also correct. Why means sorry, not CH3, that is NH2 groups, because of 4 acetyl chloride react with 4 NH2 groups, so then only this compound is formed. So 4 acetyl chloride is available, 4 acetyl chloride react with compound means here 4 NH2 groups are present. Then only 4 acetyl chloride react with 4 NH2 groups to form the product. So option is 2. Next 38. Once you see the 38th question, here aniline is react with acetylated the nitrate final hydrolysis to give product. What is the product? Aniline means here NH2. It is react with acetyl chloride CH3COCl to form acetanilide NHCOCH3, followed by react with nitration HNO3 and H2SO4. So acetyl chloride is a acetanilide group is a para-directing group. Here NHCOCH3, here para position NO2 is from para position nitrogen is substituted, followed by hydrolysis in acidic medium. Okay, then what happen during this hydrolysis, your bond breaking takes place, here H, here OH is separate, acetic acid separate, remaining is para nitroaniline is formed. Para nitroaniline, here NH2, here NO2 is formed. Para nitroaniline. Option is 2. Next question number 39. So in this reaction, here this NO2 group is there. If it is react with moist Ag2O, then what happen here? This bond is broken. Then CH2 double bond CH NO2. Here one H plus, this is Cl, HCl separate. Here CH2 is there. Once here CH2 is there. Out of this 2 hydrogens, one hydrogen, listen here, CH2 NO2. In second carbon 2 hydrogens are there, one hydrogen, one Cl, one HCl separated. Okay, remaining CH2 form the bond with CH, here bond will break. Okay, to form this one product, CH2 double bond CH bonds NO2 plus HCl. After then here N CH2 CH3 CH2 CH3 thrice means ethyl group 2 is there twice, and CH2 Cl is product. So option is this is one of the product, this is second one product, byproduct is third one is HCl. So option is 2. So this is also one of the important model question, important. Next question number 40. This is your question number 40. Here this compound is here CH2 3 CH2 here NH2. Here a double bond O is there. Here NH2. H2O separated. Then product is here N double bond O. N double bond. Followed by the react with Raney nickel. Reduction with hydrogen in the presence of Raney nickel. Here a double bond is becomes to single bond. Here NH, Here 1H is added. This is product. Option is 3. The bond will break. Here 1H, here 1H is added. Then we obtain this one. Option is 3. Next question number 42. So in this reaction, here reaction of cyclohexanone with dimethylamine in the presence of catalyte amount of acid from the compound. First cyclohexanone you take here. That is react with dimethylamine. Here dimethylamine means NH, here CH3 and CH3, dimethylamine. Then what happen here? H is attached to oxygen atom, N is attached to the carbon group. Here OH is there, here N, CH3 there. It is followed by the again here one H is there, beta position, both are removed in the form of H2O. Then product is here double bond is there, then N, CH3 is formed. Okay. So your option is this compound name is enamine. So here amino, here alkene group, double bond is there, en, this one is amine, enamine is product. Option is 2. Then next question number 43. You see here aniline react with acetic anhydride to form acetanilide. Correct na? Acetanilide means NHCOCH3. It is react with bromine and carbon tetrachloride. This is XM. I am writing here. This is X product. It is on react with bromine and carbon tetrachloride. Then what happen here? Ortho-bromo or para-bromo acetanilide is formed. CH, NHCOCH3. Here para ortho position Br2. And also para position also Br is formed. Same product NHCOCH3, here para position is Br. Okay. Among these two again followed by the hydrolysis. After the hydrolysis, then what happen? Here COCH3 becomes 2 NH2. Here also COCH3 is removed. That means hydrolysis. After hydrolysis, then what happen? Here NH2, here NH2 will form. Means ortho-bromo and para-bromo, which one is major product? Here this is Z. Okay. In case instead of NH2, here COCH3 there are, that is Y. COCH3, that is Y. Okay. So here Z, Y, Z, which one is the major product? Means ortho is less, what is that? Minor product. Para is major product. So that's why here ortho is minor, para is major. So here this is Y, this is Z. Option is para-bromo aniline. 43 is 1. Next question number 45. Which of the following amino will react with nitrous acid to give nitrogen? Which of the following amino react with nitrous acid to give to give nitrogen? Primary amines react with nitrous acid to give nitrogen. Nitrogen. Primary amine means which one is primary amino? Aliphatic primary amine. Aliphatic primary amine means you see here CH3 twice CH NH2 is react with OHNO. Here this OH, this H separate H2O. Then product is CH3 twice CH NH. Okay. Here N double bond O is formed. To give here not this one, primary amine. Primary amine react with nitrous acid to form alcohol. Here react with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid means here OH, NO is formed. Here H2O separate, N2 separate, alcohol is formed. Then CH3 twice CHOH plus N2 plus H2O separate. Alcohol is formed in the aliphatic primary amine react with nitrous acid to form alcohol. And N2. Secondary tertiary amines cannot be distinguished by the carboylamine test. Why means primary amines only give the carboylamine test. Secondary tertiary amines cannot be give the carboylamine test. So okay. So secondary tertiary amines cannot be distinguished by carboylamine test. So option is 4. Remaining Hinsberg, Grignardo, Lieberman, they by using these three we can distinguish the secondary tertiary, but fourth one is not used to distinguish secondary and tertiary. Option is 4. Primary nitro compound on heating with HNO2. Primary nitro compound react with HNO2, then what happen? See here. Primary nitro compound react with HNO2. Question: primary nitro compound treated with HNO2. Here primary nitro compound means here aliphatic aromatic primary amines react with which color? NaOH. Primary nitro compound treated with HNO2. Primary nitro compound treated with okay. See here reaction. Question number 47 is here. RCH2 is there, for example. Primary nitro compound is react with HNO2, OHNO. Then what happen? Here R C, this 2 hydrogen, okay, this oxygen H2O separate to form C double bond NOH, and NO2 is formed nitrolic acid. This is a blood red color. Nitrolic acid, that is the blood red color solution is formed. Color red colorization. Option is 1. 48 is here. 48 here primary amine react with NaNO2 and HCl. Then what happen? CH3, CH2, CH2 and NH2 is react with HNO2 to form diazotization to form CH3, CH2, CH2, N2 plus Cl minus, that is diazotization reaction, followed by decomposition. This is because of aliphatic diazonium compound is unstable. It is followed by decomposition to form carbocation CH3, CH2, CH2 plus will form. Here N2 and Cl minus separate. Again this carbocation is treated with this carbocation is primary is unstable. It is followed by the rearrangement to give secondary. CH3, C, CH3, CH, secondary is primary becomes secondary. Again this secondary carbocation is react with HCl. Here primary also react with HCl. Here Cl is formed. 1 minute here. So it is unstable, decomposition to form CH3, CH2, CH2 plus N2 plus Cl minus. This is primary. It is followed by the rearrangement to form secondary, CH3, CH2, sorry, not CH2, CH, then CH3, CH plus CH3. Okay. If it is react with H2O, it becomes alcohol, CH3, CH2, CH2OH, alcohol. If it react with H2O to form alcohol. Okay. In case if it is react with, it is undergoes rearrangement. Primary is without undergoes rearrangement if it is react with H2O to form alcohol. In case if it is undergoes rearrangement, primary becomes secondary. The secondary carbocation react with this Cl minus to form 2-chloro propane is formed, or isopropyl chloride is formed. So either propyl alcohol or isopropyl chloride is two products. Option both 1 and 2 is product. Without rearrangement undergoes hydrolysis to form alcohol. With rearrangement it is react with Cl minus to form chloride. So option both 1 and 2 is correct. Then question number 50. When alanine treated with bitter almonds, condensation takes place, the benzyl derivatives are formed. These are known as aldehydes. Here aniline is react with C6H5O, CH double bond O, H2O separated, then product is here N double bond CH C6H5O. That is a chips base or anil compound or chips base. So compound it is a chips base anil compound. Option is 4. Already I told in notebook. So this is fourth option. Primary amine can be distinguished from the secondary tertiary amine by the reaction with carboyl amine. Carboyl amines means amines react with chloroform and alkali to form isocyanate. Carboyl amine is only give the carboyl amine test only given by the primary, but secondary tertiary not given the carboyl amine test. Option is 1. Next question number 52. Question number 52 here what they gonna. So your first one compound is aromatic primary amine is give the diazotization compound. Further react with beta naphthol to form azodie. Okay, but here NH2 is attached to the allyl group. It means alkane group, CH2 group, methylene group. So here aliphatic compound NH2 group is attached to the CH2 group, but not attached to the ring. Aromatic amines give the stable. What is that? Aromatic amine give the stable diazonic compound, but this is aliphatic amine is not give the stable diazonic compound. Okay, so this is the primary aliphatic amine will not give the diazo test. This is not give the diazo test because of it is not give the diazonic product. It give but is unstable. So when it is unstable, it is not react with beta naphthol, not give the di. But this is the aromatic amines. It is react with NaNO and HCl to form diazotization. Diazonic chloride. It is diazonic chloride react with beta naphthol. Okay, to give colored dye. So option is which one is give the colored dye means first one is give the colored dye. So which one of the following reagent will be useful to distinguish between them? So it is give the colored dye. Option is 3. Option 3 is used to distinguish the aromatic and aliphatic primary amine. Option is 3. So this is the today concept. Thank you. That's all.